How would you like to discover the ideal solution to your biggest problem? You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching.
Paleo diet, caveman diet, whatever you want to call it, this is one of the most popular diets on the planet right now. While normal diets generally involve calorie restriction, the paleo diet takes it to the next level. When you adopt the paleo diet, there is a list of foods you can eat and a list of foods you can't eat. Herein lies the biggest obstacle of the paleo diet. The restrictions are severe. The foods you can't eat are sugar, starches, dairy, processed foods, etc. This makes it extremely difficult to adhere to this stringent diet because almost all the foods you want to eat contain these ingredients that aren't allowed. Eating out becomes a nightmare, and even cooking your own meals becomes difficult because most recipes use ingredients that are anathema to the paleo diet. What then do? You either need to have serious cooking skills to prepare tasty meals without using the ingredients that are not allowed, or you need paleo recipes to follow. Without either of these, complying with the paleo diet will be extremely difficult. The good news is, there is actually a solution to this problem, and it's called the Paleo Hacks Cookbook. Out of all the different paleo recipe books on the market, this is the most popular one. It's an online bestseller with thousands of satisfied customers. There are testimonials from customers that state how these recipes have made their lives so much easier. Let's weigh the pros and cons of the Paleo Hacks Cookbook. What you will love about the Paleo Hacks Cookbook. Firstly, you have a wide variety of recipes at your fingertips. The cookbook has slightly more than 150 recipes. Just about anybody will be able to find dishes that they love in there. What makes it so good is that the recipes only contain ingredients that are allowed in the diet. There is no guesswork involved, and you'll not need to crack your head trying to figure out substitute ingredients to flavor your food. All you need to do is follow the recipes. Not only are the dishes healthy, but they're tasty too. The Paleo Hacks Cookbook has several cool bonuses that will be very useful for you. You'll get a 1-month paleo meal plan, the Paleo Foods and Fails Guide, the Paleo Hacks 30-Day Jumpstart, the Paleo 4X Cookbook, and the Eating Paleo at Restaurants Guide. That's a ton of value right there. You'd think that with this much value, the Paleo Hacks Cookbook would cost a bomb, but you'd be so wrong. This guide is very affordable and easy on your wallet. If you're on a paleo diet, this will be a great investment and a huge help when it comes to cooking your own paleo meals. You absolutely need this skill if you want to be on a paleo diet with ease. To make things better, the recipes show you how to use organic foods in your dishes so that you can avoid the harmful GMOs that contain estrogenic compounds. This will make your diet even healthier. The Paleo Hacks Cookbook is backed by a full money-back guarantee in the event that you're not satisfied with your purchase. Even with such a policy, the product has an extremely low refund rate. This is proof that this product rocks. This is a well-established site, and the Paleo Hacks Cookbook has been an online bestseller for several years now. This is a reputable site and product. You can rest assured that you're getting value. What you need to know about the Paleo Hacks Cookbook. While the instructions are clear and detailed, it would have been better if there were more photos in the book. Other than that, the recipes are wonderful and the variety of dishes will keep your taste buds happy for a long time. You can only download this product if you have an internet connection. Of course, once you download it, you can print it. Why you need to get the Paleo Hacks Cookbook today. Any paleo dieter will benefit from the Paleo Hacks Cookbook. The paleo diet is not an easy diet to follow. By foregoing all the ingredients that are not allowed in the diet, it's inevitable that your food will be bland. Many beginners struggle to cope with the paleo diet because they are so used to tasty foods that contain sugar and processed ingredients. The best way to stay motivated will be to eat paleo dishes that are delicious and don't taste like cardboard. To cook such dishes, you need good recipes that will show you how to flavor your food with natural ingredients, such as spices, instead of processed ingredients like soy sauce or monosodium glutamate. Paleo Hacks Cookbook has all the recipes you need. It's a time saver and a huge relief. You do not need to be an excellent cook. You just need to follow the recipes. By doing so, you'll have meals that you can look forward to, and sticking to this diet will be much easier. If you're on the paleo diet, you need to get this book today.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.